In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and first let me create a story. I'll just tap here at plus sign, then tap at story. Next, I'll upload here some image. Tap at arrow icon, and then I can share this story with my followers. And now I can open up that story, then right here tap at more, and then hit on delete, then confirm it to delete that story from my account. As you can see, I have just deleted a story, but the nice thing is that Instagram still keeps that story on their servers and I can restore that story in 30 days. In order to do that, just hit right there at profile picture, then tap at menu icon. Next, tap at your activity, then hit on recently deleted right there. And now here I can find a story that I have just deleted, and also there I can check the amount of days until that story will be permanently removed. So in any time I can open up that story, hit at more, and then tap on restore to restore that story and share it to my followers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.